Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy mobile phone carrier or bag. I'm going to show you this interesting stitch pattern. You can use this stitch pattern for making a large purse or placemats or table runners, even a pillow, or sweaters and vests. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. Hectanuga Patterns is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain that is as wide as your cell phone. Like that, as wide as your cell phone, and a couple of extra stitches. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2, and in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that first stitch, which is the second stitch from the hook. And in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And that chain 2 will take the place of the first double crochet. And that's the first double crochet. The first double crochet, you're going to start working in the second. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. You're going to work a double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So yarn around the hook, into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So I'll make one more double crochet. All the way across the row. Okay, I made one double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And that will take the place of that first stitch. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. To make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the front of the post of the double crochet, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that's your front post double crochet. Make a regular double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next, from the front around the post, and complete the double crochet. Make a regular double crochet in the next stitch. So you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Front post double crochet, regular double crochet. Like that, and you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, worked all the way across the row, alternating a front post and a regular, and a front post and a regular. And now you're just going to repeat these 4 rows over and over. So it's 2 rows of single crochet, 1 row of double crochet, and then 1 row of alternating front post double crochet and a regular double crochet. So for the next row, it would be chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first stitch, and in each stitch all the way across the row. And then you'll repeat another row of single crochet, then a row of double, and then a row of front post double crochet. Now you're going to keep repeating those 4 rows until you've worked a long rectangle like this. And this is the inside. And when the work is as long as you need it to fit your cell phone, you can then either fasten off or slip stitch down this side, and then with another separate piece of yarn, slip stitch down the other side. So to slip stitch, you're just going to bring the 2 ends together, and then you just insert your hook into that stitch on the opposite side and slip stitch. And then you're going to work all the way down, slip stitching the side seam. Like that, all the way down this side, and then all the way down the other side. Like that, I've gone ahead and slip stitched all down that side, and then I'll do the opposite side. And then you can either attach a purchased cord or one that you already have that you can clip off another purse that you have, or you could crochet a cord. I'll put a link below for all my purse cords and handles. And you can attach a little tassel. This is a little denim tassel. I'll put the link below for the video on how to make these denim tassels. And I'm going to attach that right there. And then you can slide your phone in. And then you'll have your hands free for carrying your mobile phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.